Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to share with you this brand new Volkswagen Tiguan. This Tiguan is powered by a 2.0 TDI 150PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in a lovely solid pure white paintwork and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the extremely stylish 18-inch Napoli black diamond turned alloy wheels. To the front, the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility at all times of day. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you can find that the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding the rear seats and a privacy screen. This Tiguan also comes with a spare wheel and an electric folding trailer hitch. Into your rear seating, and you'll find that the interior has the lovely fabric and leather trim upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find your rear vent controls and a pair of USB ports. Coming into the cabin, and you'll find the front seats with height and lumbar adjustment that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage inside the adjustable armrest and a wireless phone charging station. The multi-function steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Behind the wheel, you'll also find your gear stick. Looking at the cockpit display, you can customise it with a variety of options. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can connect your mobile device for hands-free use. There are various ways to listen to media, such as the FM and DAB radio function, or Bluetooth. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available for the car, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Vehicle shows the status of your vehicle and any settings available. Assisted Systems activates the car's built-in IQ Drive safety features. A range of drive modes are available for the car. Background allows you to customise the colour of your display. Sound allows you to change your speaker's equalizer settings and position of audio output. This Tiguan also comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera. On the display, you'll also find the car's 3-zone electric climate control system with heated front seat capabilities. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button and LED reading lights. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. If you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.